My piece is truly about the energy and the drive and determination of youth, especially within this freshman class. They're coming into the school hungry and eager to dance. As a choreographer, those two things are what you wish for.
It's this like unrelenting piece that just keeps going and shifting and moving. Knowing what I know about myself as an autistic person and what dance means to me, and that like physical release and tension is a big part of it.
The Juilliard dancers are impeccable, and what's important to me is having a part of them in the dance. I see what relationships they have. There's certain moments where I'm like, how did that happen? And if I can't remember exactly how it was made, that's good.
The energy of the music and the dance is that feeling we are ready to go to battle. I feel like that is perfectly representing, because they are about to graduate, the anxiety, anticipation. They are excited to do something.